Hey guys, I made this video to address an issue with the Xbox Series 2 Elite controllers. If your guys' paddles don't press no matter how much, and these ones do work, and you can check and put these big ones on the top, and if they click and these ones don't, I have a fix for you. All you're gonna need is some super glue. Put it right on this bump. Okay, you put a drop of super glue, and then you sprinkle some baking powder on top of it. You leave it to dry for 2 minutes, and then you can cover it in Sharpie if you want, as I did. And it's barely noticeable. It fixes it. So I did this paddle here, and it fixed it, and it's clicking again. How it works is that the top bump and the bottom bump is different. The bottom bump is sticking out more, as you can see, than top bump. And for whatever reason, this one has a bigger bump than these tiny ones, and using the super glue, you can easily fix this issue without breaking the bank. Thank you for your time.